Hi, I'm Alexander Turnbull, and today you're joining me for the colour of the month. Now, this colour, as you first look at it, you're seeing a lovely, shiny, rich brunette tone. This is Deep Plum Brown-R. Now, plum is another word for purple, if you like, a dark, deep purple. Now, the loveliness of this is it is a deep purple. So when we look at the deep plum, the deep purple tones, looks very much brunette. Looks really, really nice. Come up close to this colour. You can see those chunky weaves of like a deeper purpley plum shade. You can even see some really kind of very fine, bright violets in there, which really kind of help elevate the tones. Great colour, really lovely. Plum shades have been extremely fashionable at the minute. They're really making a comeback, hence why we brought this wonderful shade out. I really, really love this. So this is actually being shown in the style Smooth Wavez in the Muse collection. And this colour is Deep Plum Brown-R. And it's my colour of the month.